Recording. Okay, recording has been started. So now today, yes, students, today we will discuss about DOS command. So it is a very important topics in your subject, and I have prepared the notes. So just you can see here introduction to MS DOS. So MS DOS is a stand for Microsoft Disk Operating System. What is Microsoft? So because when DOS was developed with parallelly Microsoft, because your operating system was developed that time and DOS is parallelly was developed and IBM also. IBM भी है, एक कंपनी है IBM और MS माइक्रोसॉफ्ट की कंपनी है. सो जब डेवलप कर रही थी दैट ए टाइम DOS भी parallelly was developed and DOS is a first operating system. Before Windows operating system, DOS was developed and DOS is a not graphical user interface. Here you can see my Windows 7. I uninstall my Windows 7. So you can see here it is a graphical user interface. Here taskbar is here, an icon is here, graphical some button is here, and everything is easy. User friendly. It is user friendly. User can easily understand with the help of graphical user interface. So Microsoft it is a है ना graphical user interface. So Windows क्या है operating system and it is a graphical user interface. Graphical means everything icons, buttons and everything is represented by ठीक है graphically. So user can easily understand and user is user friendly of user friendly of operating system. So and talk about DOS. So how to open a DOS? So just write here search and just you will type CMD. So command prompt will be so prompt. Just CMD here it will open. It is appearing. So just click one click. Okay, and this is open. So you can see here this is a black and white. White is the text and black and is the background color. So it is a window. It is a not a graphical user interface. So here you can see C. C is what? C is क्या बोलेंगे आप उसको? C prompt. You can see in the syllabus notes. ठीक है. So where can we get symbol the screen like this C. C here. है ना? So this symbol in operating system you will say C drive, but in DOS you will call C prompt. Prompt you will call prompt. In a DOS you will call prompt, and in a Windows you will call drive. So here you can see C is a prompt and user is a not a folder. You can say it is a users and Abdul Rab is a subfolder. So here you can see Windows you will call C is a folder. C is a drive and Abdul is a folder. Now you can see I'm giving the example. Here C is a drive. It is a Windows operating system. So you will say C is a drive and Abdul, where is Abdul? After C, user is there or Abdul is there? I can check. Users. So users, where is users? You can see here is a users. So user is a folder and Abdullah, it is a subfolders of users. Means user is a parent directory and Abdullah is a child directory. Okay? And just Abdullah here many folder is there. Okay? So present time you are here. So if you click this address bar, so you can see this C colon slash user slash Abdullah. So you are present time here. It is a graphically. It is representing all the my documents, all the folders and files. It is representing in a not folder. So it is a graphically. It is it represent in a graphical way. And left side is also graphically. Here buttons is there and white background is. So it is a graphical user interface. But the same thing. If you think, open a DOS, so you will say C is a prompt and user is a directory and Abdul Rab is a subdirectory. Okay, user is a directory, users and Abdul Rab is a subdirectory. You are here, and no images, na, all images files, na, it is not visible. So that time, when before 20, 30 years, if we talk about 1981, 1982, some users have purchased the laptop and they installed the operating system, DOS operating system. It was very difficult to them. It was very difficult to operate because it was graphical. It was a that time DOS is a not a graphical user interface. So uh, users have to familiar. Users must have to familiar with DOS commands. If user must have no knowledge about DOS कमांड्स की नॉलेज नहीं है, ठीक है, सो दे कुडंट ऑपरेट ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. नाउ दिस टाइम एवरी very uneducated person, they are not familiar with na they are not familiar with computer, but they purchase, and after that graphical user interface is here, so they can easily self study or self learn with the practice of DOS, how to open a DOS with the practice of operating system. Uneducated person, they can also learn this time with the help of graphical. Your mobile laptop and mobile is also graphical. You purchase any mobile, so you don't learn to anything. Just you will practice open, and after some days you can easily operate off your mobile because it is a graphical. But that time it was very tough for users because if you have no knowledge about commands, and so they couldn't operate at that time. So see users Abdul Rab here, and suppose I want to see all directories, all files and directories, all files and directories. So just users you can see here graphical inter user fence, you can see, but DOS in a DOS, how can you see? Just you will type dir. Dir is a command, okay? It is a general purpose command. Dir is a general purpose command. So if you type dir, it is not a case sensitive language. You can write in uppercase also and lowercase. So if you press enter, so you can see just two hidden files will also. So it is a hidden files. It is also represent in a Windows also, but it is hidden files. It will not show in a your operating system and also here. And just you can see context, desktop, documents. Here you can see dir, directory. Okay. And just to in a Windows you will say it is document is a folder, but here you will call dir, directory. And this directories was created by 11:30 a.m. and the date is 8/18/2020. Means 18 August 2020. These documents directory has been created. So how many directories? 50 directories are 50 directories is here. 50 directory is inside the Abdul Rab directory. 50 directories is here and no files. 0 files is there. So you can see 15. So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 2 is hidden. So total 15 directories is here. And I told you in a Windows you will call folder, and in a DOS you will call directory. So suppose in a contact, you go to contacts, only images is here or not in a graphical. And चलो अभी जनरल पर्पस की बात कर रहा हूँ. So general purpose command is dir is also general purpose command. So in the notes here, पहले firstly I will tell you the what is dir command. I will explain. So if you talk about DOS, there are two types of command. One is internal command and second is external commands. So internal, firstly we will discuss about internal commands, and next lecture we will discuss about external commands. So internal commands are those commands which are loaded into the memory. Okay? Internal commands are those commands which are loaded into the memory. ये किसमें loaded होते हैं? Memory में. Which memory? Prime memory is also two types: primary memory and secondary memory. So when you start an operating system, so your duplicate operating system will also load in a RAM. Your original operating system has stored in a hard disk. And when you open a start operating system, so duplicate operating system stored in a RAM. So RAM में store होता ही, और आपका when operating system are loaded, then these internal commands are loaded at the time when operating system loaded. सी आप एक डिफिनीशन होती है इंटरनल कमांड्स की जो आपको दिख सकता है, वो लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे। मेमोरी व्हेन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज लोडेड इनटू द मेमोरी यू कैन लर्न, ठीक है, ये इज अ सिलेबस यू कैन लर्न, ठीक है। एंड इट इज ए मेमोरी रिसोर्स रिकॉर्ड, मतलब मेमोरी में स्टोर रहती है। व्हेन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ओपन देन दिस मेमोरी में जो भी डॉस के होगे वो होता है, इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा। तो सम ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम विल नॉट सपोर्ट, सम कमांड विल नॉट सपोर्ट बेस्ड ऑन मेमोरी, बिकॉज सबकी मेमोरी से सेम तो नहीं थी, सम की मेमोरी डिफरेंट होती है, 2 GB 3 GB से टेराबाइट रैम कितनी भी होती है, ठीक है, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कॉन्फ़िगरेशन की आपके पास ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होते हैं। सो बेस्ड अपॉन दैट्स व्हाई जब व्हेन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम आर लोडेड देन दिस internal command are loaded, so that's why it is based on memory resident command. So this combined, all combined together, सब combined रहते हैं together and stored in the command.com, एक होती command.dot files, जहाँ पे वो सारी फाइलें इंटरनल कमांड्स की ऑल फाइलें इट विल बी एग्जीक्यूटेड command.com। तो जो आपकी जो होती है इंटरनल कमांड दैट विल बी लोडेड इन ए command.com। सो जनरल पर्पस कमांड की बात करें तो जनरल इन इंटरनल कमांड्स वी कैटेगराइज आल्सो 3 टाइप, जनरल पर्पस कमांड, फाइल रिलेटेड कमांड एंड डायरेक्टरी रिलेटेड कमांड। 3 command is also there in if you talk about internal command. So today firstly we'll discuss about general purpose command. So in a general purpose command you can see CLS, clear the screen. You also अपने already आप you है ना, you study about in a C language के CLR CR you wrote CLR CR in a program. So same as here CLS, you will type CLS clear the screen. So CLS clear the, how to clear the screen, just nothing, just you will type CLS and press enter. So suppose these are this directory is showing, so I have to clear, I have to wipe out everything on the screen. So CLS, just write CLS and press enter. That is clear screen. I think clear CLS. Now next command is dir. I already discussed dir command. Dir command is use all directory and files. So you can see all directory and files here with the help of dir. Suppose you want to see the directory and files inside Abdulrahman. Okay. It is my laptop, so Abdulrahman is showing. So how to know how many files and directory inside Abdulrahman? So just you will type dir, press enter, all directories and files will be so here 15 directories is here, no files is here. Suppose you want to see all directory and files inside a users, so how to back one step here. If we talk about window, it is a graphical user interface. So it is a graphical user interface. Here you can see back button is here, one back, present time you are inside a Abdulrahman. Contacts, you are present time, you can see contacts, you are inside a contacts folder. And if suppose you want to go back, so press back button is here, one back button, so you went one step back, you are present time you are inside a Abdulrahman. Again back, suppose so back button is here, again back, you are present time you are inside a users. So same as in a DOS command, how to go one step back. Suppose you want to go inside a users, so cd dot cd and 2 dot, you will type and press enter. So you will press enter, so you can see you are one step back. But in previous you can see here you are present time, your cursor is being after Abdulrahman directory, means you are inside Abdulrahman directory, and now we press cd dot, so you go one step back, so you are present time you are inside a user. And here you will type dir, so here only 2 directories, है ना? So just you can see here 2 directories here and 2 hidden files also will be so by default. So total 4 directory will be represent here, will be so, and no files is here. So this is the dir command, and you have to clear screen. So CLS, you will clear the screen. So CLS and press enter. This is the concept of dir command. So dir command, I suppose I want to go inside it, and here I will how will you go? Suppose here I want to go inside a Abdulrahman folder. So just just double click Abdulrahman, double click, I will go inside a Abdulrahman. But in a DOS, how will you go inside this one? You know, in a black and white, suppose when this graphical user interface was not developed, That time only DOS was developed. That time how user can know how many directories and files are. So just he should knowledge, they should knowledge about to command. So just type dir, say, oh, only two directories here, Abdullah and public. How will you go inside a Abdullah folder? So just already Abdullah has created. So cd dot dot means one step back. And suppose you go inside a directory, cd means change the directory. So cd space and what is the folder? Abdul Rab is folder. So just same time, not a cancel sensitive. So cd Abdul space rub. It is a not a case sensitive. Missing Abdul mein A is capital, Rab mein R is capital. So it is not a case sensitive. That's why just write a similar name only. So Abdul Rab and press enter. So you can see you went inside Abdul Rab. So at present time you are inside Abdullah. So with the help of cd dot dot means one step back, and if you want to go inside in a Windows, you will double click, and here you will cd and just write the directory name or file name, folder name. So you will go inside a folder. This is the concept of backward, back, and forward. cd dot dot and cd. With the help of cd, you can one step back or you can go forward. Or you can go inside a folder with the help of cd. So this is the concept of cd. It is not a general purpose command. This is a directly related command. It is a directly related command, cd. So but present time I am discussing about general purpose command. So general purpose command means just type the command and press enter, or you can see on the screen. You don't write anything, just write a command name, general purpose command name, and you can see how many folders, how which versions. Just you want to know about the details about your systems or files, so you can just general purpose command means you can type the command name and press enter. So dir concept is clear. Dir means all. Now some switches is here. Suppose you want to display all directory and files in a page wise. Here /p means page wise will be displayed, /w means width wise will be displayed, /s means list all files and directories of subdirectories. जितने भी subdirectories की directories है that will be displayed, और जितने भी hidden files है उसके लिए /h. What is the syntax? The syntax is here same. Just write dir space /switches name. So going to type here, you can see dir means display all directory and files. Suppose you want to display page wise, so dir space switches /p. Now by default it is display in a page wise also. Dir /p pages. Suppose you want to display width wise, so just write dir. Now clear screen, that is not visible. dir space w. Now you can see only the 15 directories and dot dot screen recorder contact is here. So width wise it is displaying. The desktop is here, document is here. Now width wise is displaying. कितनी size के according it is displaying. Which is the largest file, is the smallest file. So width wise. And now S, list all files and directories. So just list all files and directories. You will write dir /s. So you can see many files directories. You can see. Wow, how many files you can see. It's showing. Many subdirectories is there. Lot of. That's why it is taking time and displaying. Lot of files you can see. It's very time taking, and all directories and the subdirectories, jitne bhi whatever, everything is displaying. You can see. That is time taking, I think, because lot of files means I think thousands of files here. That's why it is taking time. Okay, I'm waiting for one.
कमांड यूज किए थे सर?
dir देखो many directories and how many directories and subdirectories. dir/s, this one, dir/s, this list all files, जितनी भी files है, and directories of subdirectories, everything will be displayed. You can say all files, many files, देखो you can see ना, दिख रहा है all files ना, and because very limited page will be displayed, so previous record is not displaying. ठीक है, समय लगा. So you want to clear screen, so just CLS and press enter, clear screen. So this is the concept of div, and notes is here. ठीक है, तो क्लियर है आप लोगों को सभी को?
यस सर.
ठीक है.
यस सर.
सर पेज वाइज वाला सर एक बार बता दीजिए सर. सर पेज वाइज वाला कैसे प्रायोरिटी होगा सर?
Page wise is by default. If you don't write page by default, if you write dir display, it is also a page wise. If you type dir /p forward slash, it is also, so by default it is displaying in a page wise. Don't need to write page wise /p. Clear? Is it clear?
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
हाँ, yes.
वो जो कमांड है सर /s, सब कुछ जो शो करता रहता है वो रुकता भी है या चलता जाता है?
चलता जाएगा. Continuity is a processing.
List all the files and directory, ये वाला
all directory and file, ये हाँ, list all the files. Continuity will be displayed. अरे just you can see many files is here. You can search. तो है ना, इन्हें अब्दुल्ला बहुत सारे हैं. ठीक है, डाउनलोड डेस्कटॉप में जाओगे बहुत सारे हैं. जो जस्ट देखिए कितनी है. ऑल थिंग एवरीथिंग इज डिस्प्लेइंग. So that is taking time. हाँ, ठीक है. तो बहुत सारे फाइल्स थे तो इसलिए टाइम टेकिंग ले रहा था उसमें. ठीक है.
Yes sir.
Is this clear? Now do the discuss about just all the switches is here. You can practice if you have laptop. Suppose you want to display directory with system files, so AS we are display only directories present in current drive, only directories. So AD, you don't want to display files, only just directory, so AD/AD. So VER version means ki which versions of DOS we are working. Suppose I am using this DOS, so which of versions of this DOS command? So VER, just type VER and press enter. So you can see Windows version 6.1.7601 version is here. Okay. So I am using version 6.1 or 1.76. Okay, this is the representative indicates which edition of DOS we are working. So just simple VER. This is a general purpose command. And volume, display the disk volume level and serial number. तो जो डिस्क होते हैं हार्ड डिस्क उसकी वॉल्यूम लेवल ओनली जस्ट डिस्प्ले. तो जस्ट वी कैन टाइप CLS clear the screen. Now firstly I will clear the screen, CLS and press enter. Now we press VOL, general purpose command. Only just type the command and press enter and you can see the result. Press enter. So volume is drive C has no label. मेरे C drive का लेबल कुछ नहीं है. And the volume serial number is 48FE-7CC1. It is my serial number of this C. Because I am present time I am in C drive. I propose no, I will not. You will confuse. Next time I will teach you how to change the serial number of D drive. I will teach you next lecture. Now. Date, date is very important. Date means simply date or time. So now you want to see that time ना, Windows जब है ना previous talk about 1981-82 में जब DOS ही था only. तो वहाँ पे date कैसे देखना पड़ता था. Date के लिए just DATE press enter. So you can see enter the है ना, the current date is Friday 4th September 2020. यही है ना डेट. यस स्टूडेंट्स.
यस सर.
देखो यहाँ पे जो व्हाटएवर जो भी ग्राफिकल है वो यहाँ पे शो हो रहा है. ठीक है. नाउ सपोज यू वांट टू चेंज अ डेट, so you can enter the new date is here. So you can also change the date, but you will be admin. You have to admin. ठीक है. You must have to admin of the laptop. If you are a local users, because Windows में many users are ना, one is admin and another is users. जानते हो ना आप लोग सभी? हेलो,
यस सर, यस सर,
Yes, sir.
ओनली वन स्टूडेंट
Admin
रिप्लाई
is the
करते हैं।
main user.
हाँ, so admin, it is the privileges of admin. Admin can change the date and time. If you are user, because suppose if you come, if you know, come in a lab, and I will give the one, I allot the one system for one user, one students, and you are that there, I will give the local, I will give the local local ID. ठीक है, local user I will give. I will not so there you will not a admin. So you are not admin will this admin can change the date and time. So ठीक है, just these privileges for admin. They can change a date and time. Local user can't edit anything. So I this here I'm admin, so I can change date and time. But date is a correct, so I'm not changing date and date. Now press enter. So time is also a general purpose command. Time, press enter. So you can see time is 10:53. Is I think right. So suppose I want to change 10:55. So 10. Enter the new time. 10:55 एंड सेकंड नैनो सेकंड्स के अलावा भी कुछ पॉइंट होते हैं ना, सेकंड्स के बाद भी कुछ होते हैं, सेकंड्स का भी कुछ फॉर्म होता है, वो भी है। सो जस्ट राइट 5.9 है तो 6.1 required privilege is not held by the clients. Privileges दिया हुआ है because I am not admin. I am not admin here. I think. तो admin के लिए क्या होता है? Suppose I am closing this one and just here CMD again. Admin कैसे होगा privileges? So C
open as an administrator.
open as an administrator. Right click and no run as an administrator. So admin will be open.
सर ये तो कोई भी कर देगा।
नहीं नहीं, वहां पे अलाउ नहीं होगा, लोकल्स नहीं अलाउ होगा, पासवर्ड मांगेगा। यार मैंने मेरे यहाँ कोई नहीं है लोकल यूजर इन माय लैपटॉप, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
लोकल के लिए पासवर्ड मांगेगा, समझ में आया? तो अभी
Yes,
फिलहाल
sir.
अभी ऐसे ही करते हैं ना, सिस्टम 32 पे क्या जाए, CMD। नाउ जनरल पर्पस कमांड, here you can see date, time is finished, and file related command is very important command. Now it is clear. One general purpose command I am telling, you are getting bored of this black and white color. Are you getting bored or not?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
So how to change the background color and this foreground means text color? So it is very, suppose I am writing COLOR. No, don't write COLOUR. Only support COLOR. COLOR space I am writing 44C. It is incorrect. Not incorrect. Suppose you don't know any command. Suppose you don't know any and you want to study in a system. So just write, suppose you don't know dir command. So help space dir. So you can see dir, all the definition is displaying na, display list of files and subdirectory in a directory. What is the dir ka definition? It display list of files, and dir is just /p/q है ना, many switches is here, attributes is here. So with the help of attributes you can just everything is here or not, you can see. So if you don't know any command, so with the help of continue press any key, if any continue होगा कि हाँ yes any continue चीज है, /p/q, pause after each है ना, pause/q display the owner of the files. So all the definition is present in a desktop, in a laptop, your direct command prompt. So with the help command you can learn any commands. So I don't know, suppose I don't know volume command. I don't know about volume. What is vol command? So help and /vol. So vol just display the disk volume label and serial number if they exist. So volume means this one. Okay. I don't know color commands. What is color? So help space COLOR. help color. So help color enter center. So you can see, yes, you can see attribute, specific color attributes of console outputs. Color attributes are specified by 2 hexadecimal. The first 2 hexadecimals पे होता है 2 times. The first correspondence of the background and the second for the foreground. मतलब जो फर्स्ट होगा वो बैकग्राउंड, जो पीछे ब्लैक है इट इज अ बैकग्राउंड, एंड फोरग्राउंड जो व्हाइट कलर का आपको ये दिख रहा है इट इज अ फोरग्राउंड. ईच डिजिट कैन बी एनी ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वैल्यू. सबकी वैल्यू है, ठीक है. आप 2 बार में लिखेंगे with the help of color. You can see here color and space. Don't write this bracket. Don't write this bracket and just write attributes. Many attributes is here. Two attributes you can write. One for background, second for foreground. So 0 for black, 1 for blue, 2 for green, 3 for aqua. Everything is 9 for light blue, A capital A small a, ठीक है. लाइट ग्रीन, बी लाइट एक्वा, लाइट रेड. अब मुझे करना है सपोज ग्रीन एंड रेड. इट इज वेरी बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन ना, ग्रीन एंड रेड कलर. तो 4 is a red and E is a light yellow. No, red green is combination. 4A light green. So I want to change the color, so just you will learn this color, ठीक है. तो COLOR space 4 for red, 4 हो गया, 4 red and red के साथ background I want to red and foreground means text color I want to show a light green. So A 2 hexadecimal, 2 hexadigit हो गया. This is attributes and 4 defined है, A B already defined कि क्या color है. So just press enter. You can see background has been changed and foreground has been changed. This is also a general purpose command, color attributes. Now copy command. Copy command, suppose you want to create a file. This now Windows, you can easily create, open a notepad, open a Windows, open a Microsoft Office, open a Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft means MS Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and easily you can type any documents, anything, and just save the file. File has been created in a window, easy, very easy. But in a DOS, how will you create a file? With the help of DOS command. So with the help of DOS, suppose I want to create a file and in a AbdulRab. So present time I am here. You can see I am here. So here I want to create a file, and you can see here cursor is blinking means I am inside the AbdulRab folder. AbdulRab directory, subdirectory is here. Cursor is blinking. Now I want to change. I want to create a file with the help of copycon. Copycon command is used to create a file. Copycon command is used to create a file. What is the syntax of copycon command? So here is a syntax. You can see copy space con space file name, and also give the extension file name with extension. It is your size. You can, if you don't give extension, by default it will take .txt file. But best is just give the file name with extension. And in a file, I'm giving the file name rows and extension I'm giving .txt. This is the extension. Rows is a directory and dot after dot whatever light, it is the extension. First is directory, second is between these dot, left side is a directory name, file name, and second one is a extension name. So copycon is after that press enter, and just after press enter, okay, means you are present time, just assume that you are in a editor, you are using any editor, you are in a editor and you are typing anything कुछ भी करोगे, everything is a your matter. Suppose if you press enter, so enter is also you are using in this copycon command. You can't exit without using Control J. Anything कुछ भी करो, जब तक क्रॉस बटन आप you will not click क्रॉस बटन तब तक बाहर नहीं आओगे, but your file will not created. So after press enter, you whatever you will type, everything will be in your row file, until कंट्रोल जेड, जब तक आप कंट्रोल जेड प्रेस बटन नहीं करोगे तब तक वो जो भी व्हाट एवर कुछ भी अपने कीबोर्ड से करोगे, दैट इज द योर मैटर एंड विल बी स्टोर इन ए rows.txt. Now telling you how to create a file. Now copy space con space file name. Now it's my choice, कुछ भी मैं फाइल दे सकता हूँ, मेरी मर्जी, मैं दे रहा हूँ चलो इन्फॉर्मेटिक्स, मैं अपनी फाइल का नाम दे रहा हूँ इन्फॉर्मेटिक्स, कुछ गलत नहीं, ये आपकी मर्जी, कोई भी फाइल नेम दे दो आप, इन्फॉर्मेटिक्स, एंड आल्सो गिव द एक्सटेंशन, बाय डिफॉल्ट इट विल टेक .txt, बट माय सिस्टम कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कुछ भी व्हाटएवर कुछ भी अप्लाई हुआ हो यहाँ पे मुझे नहीं पता, तो बेस्ट इसके आप एक्सटेंशन दे दो, तो .txt मैंने दे दी एक्सटेंशन। तो .txt कितनी फाइल्स होती है, .docx, .xslx एक्सेल की फाइल, .ppt, बहुत सारी फाइल्स है, मैं भी सिर्फ टेक्स्ट का दे रहा हूँ, अब आप अपना प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो, यू कैन सेल्फ स्टडी, मैं एक सिर्फ इशारा दे रहा हूँ, हिंट दे रहा हूँ कि मैं क्रिएटिंग कर रहा हूँ टेक्स्ट फाइल, तो जस्ट गिव द एक्सटेंशन .txt, now press enter, now assume that you have opened the editor text file, and जब तक आप कुछ भी करो, ये कुछ भी कर रहा हूँ मैं, माउस कुछ भी दबा रहा हूँ, कुछ भी एनीथिंग ये कर रहा हूँ, एग्जिट मार रहा हूँ, एस्केप मार रहा हूँ, ठीक है, वो तो गया है, मगर कुछ भी कर रहा हूँ, एवरीथिंग मैं कुछ भी कर रहा हूँ, एंड कर रहा हूँ, एग्जिट शिफ्ट मार रहा हूँ, ठीक है, जेड मार रहा हूँ, एक्स मार रहा हूँ, एग्जिट लिख रहा हूँ, मैं सोच रहा हूँ एग्जिट से मैं एग्जिट हो जाऊँ, एंटर मार रहा हूँ, एग्जिट हो रहा हूँ, कुछ नहीं होगा, दिस इज मैटर, कब तक चलेगा इस तरह, जब तक, या तो आप डायरेक्ट यू कैन प्रेस क्लोज बटन, सो योर फाइल विल नॉट क्रिएटेड, एंड हट गया पूरा डॉस का, मगर आपको इस यहाँ से कैसे निकलना है, हाउ टू क्रिएट दिस, है ना, सपोज इट इज योर मैटर, है ना, ये आपने लिखा, ओ सॉरी आई गॉट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, आपने ना व्हाट वी हैव टू डू फॉर सेव एंड exit, मतलब I have to save a file and exit. Okay, so how will you do? Control plus Z, यहाँ पे दिख रहा होगा Control plus Z और F6, आपके कीबोर्ड में F6 होगा, या F6 दबाओ तो Control Z लिख के आएगा, या आप Control plus Z, मैं F6 दबा रहा हूँ, my F6 मेरा में वर्क नहीं कर रहा है F6, मैं Control Z दबा रहा हूँ, Control plus Control कंटिन्यू प्रेस किया हूँ अभी हाथ, ठीक है, एंड कंट्रोल के साथ कंटिन्यू प्रेस जेड, ये प्रेस कंट्रोल अंटिल जब तक वी विल नॉट प्रेस जेड, तो कंट्रोल प्लस जेड कंटिन्यू प्रेस, इट इज शोइंग नाउ, कंट्रोल जेड इज शोइंग नाउ, प्रेस एंटर, माय फाइल्स वन फाइल्स कॉपीड एंड बैक भी आ गया है, देखो एग्जिट भी हो गया, मेरी फाइल सेव भी हो गई, एंड अब्दुल रब के बाद ये कर्सर इज बिलिगन, मतलब मैं एग्जिट भी हो गया, तो नाउ यू कैन सी हियर informatics file has been created, अभी तक नहीं थी before copycon command, it has not been created, now this time when you press Ctrl Z and press enter, so informatics file is here, and you can see it is your matter. So with the help of copycon command you can create a file. Now it is clear. Now today we discuss about how to display the content of file. Was there that time Windows operating system was not developed, only this DOS is there, DOS was there, so just you again you have to type dir command and see my file has been created or not. Yeah, you can see one file has been created before, when we have not created this file, so file 0 files was showing, now this time one file has been created, and just you can see a blank space is here, means it is not in my directory 88 bytes, it is taking 88 bytes, informatics.txt file is created, has been created with the help of copycon command. Now I have to display, now what is the matter of informatics.txt, I want to see the matter, क्या matter मैंने लिखा है text में, so one is type command, type type, I think it is visible, type space, just give the file name with extension, so my file name is informatics.txt, just write the file name informatics.txt and just press enter, So now we can see here, or RK, this is the my matter. I have written in my informatics file. This is our matter. So with the help of type command, you can display the content of files. Files का जो भी inside any content, जितने भी all contents will be displayed with the help of type command. I think time is okay. I have to go in office also, so I'm closing the. I'm stop the recording video. The recording video is going on. So next class I will discuss next remaining all the command I will discuss. So I hope it is clear for those commands and just recording the video. Please like and subscribe this video and bell the icon bell button press. So if you upload any video, so you can see my latest video. Thank you class. Now firstly recording the stop video. So go into here and stop recording and stop recording.